In this video we're sorting out the junk in my trunk with the Oscar and Hamish nappa leather topped lower trunk cube storage set. First off, a big thank you to Julian, Oscar and Hamish for supplying me with this Tesla Model S lower trunk storage. It's really much appreciated. So let's get into it. So you would have seen in previous videos I purchased the Tesla Model S frunk storage. I also purchased some of these nylon bags to keep my storage cables in, so check out those other videos if you're interested in those. This is about lower trunk storage in the Tesla Model S. So as you'll see, the Model S has a massive boot. This is a huge car on the British roads, and underneath there is additional storage where you can keep all sorts of rubbish, as you'll see I have. But Oscar and Hamish again to the rescue with their lovely tailored products. So as you have seen in my previous videos, I had the carbon effect top. This lower front storage is the same kind of really, anti-rip nylon material, but these ones have the nice soft nappa leather topping. So it's really good to see the different premium materials, but even as standard, these bags look good and they are kind of really strong and rugged. So for this trunk storage you get basically two bags. As you can see, a center opening here. They come with a nice padded shoulder strap. It's kind of like a rubber padding, and then also a Velcro kind of center fastening you can use here on the handles. So again, you can use this either for storage, just kind of general storage, or again if you're going shopping on a trip. Again, you can fill these bags outside of the car, knowing that you can maximize that lower front storage, or not front storage, lower boot storage, and then you have the whole of the remainder of the boot, for bikes, prams, and other rubbish you need to take in general for family trips. So let's have a look at how they kind of fit in the car. Me personally, I keep all sorts of rubbish in the car: wipes, leather wipes, glass wipes, bug wipes, all things to try and keep the car kind of good condition. So definitely one half I'm going to fill with that. I also currently keep an umbrella and Chardamo adapter underneath, so I'm going to think about how I'm going to use those in the future as well. But this looks like it's going to be good, helpful storage. So let's lift up the rubber mat I have in here and delve deeper and see what the current situation looks like. Okay, so we lift things up. You can see that there is a good amount of storage in the Tesla Model S, as mentioned already. Just as obviously a side note, it's probably obvious already if you already own a Model S, but if you have the jump seats, then you won't be looking to utilise these bags because you'll have the fold down jump seats hidden in this rear compartment. So right now, as I mentioned, I've got all sorts of things. So I have my Chardamo adapter. I've got a cap, got there for now. I have my UMC charging leads in one of those drawstring bags. Leather cleaning wipes, glass wipes, dashboard wipes, baby wipes. When you've got kids, there's no end of spills you need to be ready to clean up. Rainproof Mac, gloves and scarf, another rainproof Mac, IKEA shopping bags, Entire World, reflective sunscreen, a foil blanket, because I have been trapped once before many years ago in the floods and it was really cold, so a full blanket is helpful. Plastic storage box, which I think I'm not going to need now I have these bags, so get rid of that. And then my trusty umbrella. So as you can see, there's loads of storage in the Model S. I have the premium sound system, so over here I have the subwoofer, so I can't utilise any of this space over here. And on this side I have my Mackenzie Type 2 charging cable. So the idea here is that I can better utilise this storage with these bags, better organise kind of the stuff I've got here. I think my plan is going to be, I'm going to turn the left one into the storage of all the stuff I want in for the car, and then the right one I can use that on shopping trips and just general other luggage. The Oscar and Hamish Model S trunk cube storage. I think they look really good. This soft nappa leather is really nice material. Hopefully it won't get too kind of scuffed up in the back here, but I think the way the boot cover protects it is pretty good. That's a little bit of storage left on the one side, so I've managed to be able to fit my UMC cable back in there with the drawstring bag, and I'm probably going to use this additional bag either with my Chardamo cable to try and fit over here on the left as well, or maybe just to store these bags when I'm not using them. But they do fold flat, so you can still put things on the top. And I think that's actually the only kind of comment I would have about the bags is I'm assuming they have the center zip design to make it so it's easier to fold flat, so you can continue to use your storage for other things, and it does just make things a little bit trickier to try and get things in and out of the bag where you're trying to kind of open from the middle. Personally, I'd like it if there was an option to choose to have the side zipping opening like you have on the front storage, but apart from that, again, amazing build quality, fantastic materials, and just makes everything so much tidier. I now no longer have, well, I still have junk in my trunk, just now it looks a lot nicer. Thanks, Oscar and Hamish. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.